Qi'an, leading the global fire door industry. We are professional manufacturers of fireproof and soundproof doors. This is our steel door production line, where machines have replaced manual labor, greatly improving efficiency as well as precision and standards. We have a modern production and R&D base of nearly 20,000 square meters, equipped with internationally leading manufacturing equipment and testing instruments. Since its establishment in 2005 in Guangdong, Foshan, has been committed to becoming a leading enterprise in the global fire door industry. This is our wooden door production line. Our annual output exceeds 200,000 square meters. Our products are sold to mainland China, Hong Kong, Macau, Taiwan, as well as Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and many other countries, solidifying our position as a mainstay in the field of fire safety. Now let's go into the office building. Conference area. Design department. Let's go to the second floor exhibition hall. Steel fire doors, wooden fire doors, soundproof doors, radiation-proof doors. Our product line is diverse and can meet various needs. We have obtained more than 200 international authoritative certifications and test reports, including American standards, British standards, European standards, Australian standards, and have passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification. We are a trustworthy all-around fire safety solution provider at your side. Choosing Qi'an means choosing safety and peace of mind. We promise to protect your life and property with more professional, high-quality, and efficient services, and build a worry-free fire barrier. Qi'an joins you in creating a new future of fire prevention safety. Thank you for watching.